in a sun wash. Are you in a sun party?
Get your grubby hands off me.
I am in a sun party.
So, looks like we're all in, yeah?
We have made it down Nido, guys, and what a way to start the journey and the trip in a trike. Let's go.
Let's go. First things first, when we check into a hotel recently.
Looking very...
Hey, you know what? Worry. Download speed is Guten Tag. Now the all important thing is the upload speed also, because we send a lot of information. Yeah, that is good internet.
So we just checked into our hotel and we're going to get something to eat. But first, let's check out this view. Oh my god.
Zakariya's sugar as well. Oh, we're right in the center of the town. Obviously, you got some coconuts being burnt over there for coal tonight, I'm guessing. See, I can see just through the palm trees, and look at that amazing limestone cliff formation right there. So we've just been dropped off by our tricycle, I was about to say tuk-tuk, tricycle, into El Nido town, I think that's what it's called. And we saw a nice little basketball court here, I think. So just by the basketball court, there's some food stalls here. We're going to chance it and see if any of this stuff is halal. Let's just ask anyway. Obviously, we've asked the lady, some of this stuff is halal because it's not mixed with pork. So I think I might just give a little egg a go. Shall we try that?
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Can I have one egg, please? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
10 pesos. Not bad. Okay, so I have to admit, I was a bit reluctant when they said it's halal because they were kind of didn't understand us or whatever. But this young lady over there wearing a hijab gave a salam to us and she confirmed it is halal. And there's a couple of restaurants in town that are halal as well. So we're going to check them out. But I got an egg. I got a fried egg.
Go on then.
With a bit of tomato ketchup. Ooh, it's fresh, it's hot.
Oh, that looks good, man.
That's not a bad little snack, 10 pesos. Deep fried battered egg. I like it. Look at that fried egg.
We've got a lovely guy enjoying his balut right now. Unfortunately, we can't eat this because it's not halal. Say hello to the vlog. Hi.
How are you?
We have a good massage here at El Nido Palawan. The name is the Blessed Spa.
Pleasant Spa, that's one. Full body is 500.
Yeah, just only for 500 for 1 hour.
Okay, we just got here today, so I need a massage. I'll come back.
Okay, so
Thank you. What's your name? What's your name, Dada?
My name's Nadia.
Oh,
This is my...
that's your treat. Ah, thank you.
This is the place the girl recommended that is halal. So we might come back here, right?
I think so. All right, this is the barbecue for biryani house. Irfan is excited.
Mate, that's what I'm talking about, bro.
Okay, so guys, first impression so far. I'm loving the vibe. Everyone is just so happy, friendly. Assalamu alaikum. Lots of Muslims. Assalamu alaikum.
Literally been here for like probably half an hour now. Came straight to the town and we just like kind of bumping into loads of Muslims, loads of people. Everyone's really nice and happy. I am loving it.
I think we found a shortcut, guys.
Let's go.
Right. Oh my gosh. Oh yes. Look at this, man. Woohoo!
Guys, this is what you call a beach.
Look at me. I love it. Zakariya.
Zakariya.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I will come here and El Nido.
Yay, Zakariya!
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And this is why you just cannot get enough. Well, we cannot get enough of Filipino sunsets. There's just something magical about them. The sky just turns this beautiful red, orange hue. Just lights up the whole sky. So special. time for us to eat because it's been a nice long travel day. Let's go! And is the meat, is it halal certified?
Yeah, it is halal. It's a magnolia.
Okay. This is Muslim sister, she said this one is good.
Yeah. And we
Okay.
have our sister Muslim also here working.
Oh, okay.
She knows everything.
Okay, then we are sold. Let's go.
Sold.
Thank you so much.
Let's sit
What's
down.
your name?
My name is
Thank you, Chris.
Hello.
Biryani kitchen, here we have it. I love this menu already because it's literally just one page. When you're hungry, sometimes it's the way to go, isn't it?
Simplicity is key.
All right, guys, this chicken looks absolutely divine. It smells delicious. Oh yeah, that is the right color when it comes to chicken tandoori. We're gonna dip it into the nice, lovely yogurt sauce that we've got here. And I'll tell you if the yogurt sauce lives up to the hype. Oh yeah, it's fantastic. Very nice and minty, coriandery. Sometimes you can go a bit wrong with the yogurt sauce, but this is absolutely delicious.
I like a good piece of chicken, me. And trust me, I know a good tandoori chicken when I taste one. That is absolutely bang on the money, that mate. Bang on the money.
This mutton biryani, it looks and smells absolutely delicious. Look at that. You've got some papadum on the plate. You know you've got a good biryani when it comes with some yogurt, which has got some cucumber, onions, and it's got some tomatoes. That is what I'm talking about. Oh, look at that, how soft that is. Wow, look at that. Let's give it a try. I seriously was not expecting that to taste that good. It tastes absolutely delicious. Probably one of the best biryanis I've had in Southeast Asia. That is good, man.
Oh, it's my turn to try this bad boy. I think I'm just gonna go with a bit of rice. Ooh, wow, it is smoking hot. That is what you call a good biryani. None of this like imitation biryani. This is proper, like you would get at home. With the yogurt, it just completes it, man. Delicious. If you're in El Nido, you have to come to this biryani house. Definitely. That was absolutely epic, that food. Really, really tasty, and that biryani was mwah. But I think it's time to hit the sack because this guy is really tired as well, isn't he?
Very tired.
Well, the next clip's going to be us in the morning getting up to some more shenanigans. See you in a bit.
Good morning, everybody. It's now the next morning in beautiful El Nido. We are just having a breakfast at the terrace.
Zakariya chilling.
Yeah, you are.
Yeah, he is. And what a beautiful way to start this lovely, lovely day here. Sorry, I'm squinting because it is still quite bright.
And guys, check out our breakfast that we get with our hotel. You get scrambled egg, pancakes, sausages, beef, halal ones, papaya, juice and coffee.
Nice. So, while Zakariya gets a nice little nap in after having a lovely breakfast, I'm taking this opportunity to have a bit of downtime. Well, I say downtime, but go to the gym. Yes, that is right. Here in El Nido, there's actually a gym. So it's part of the Garden Peak Resort and it's called Peak Fitness Gym. It's 150 pesos per person, which works out to be around £2.20. That's not a bad price actually. I think it's quite worth it for a gym session here in El Nido town. But let's go and check the gym out. Right, so that's the gym done. So now it's going to be go back to the hotel and see what little ones are up to. Maybe grab some food for them on the way. We'll see. So after breakfast, we really had a chilled out afternoon. This little man had some milk and went to sleep. I got a gym session in, which I'm really, really happy about. And got some lunch at Holy Smoke. That was delicious. So obviously to get about in El Nido, it's really good to have a bike. We got a bag in buckets. So we paid $3.50 each for 2 bikes. And that, we got a nice deal. Usually it's about 500 pesos a bike.
We've seen this place queuing up. It's called El Nido Bakery. It smells absolutely divine. We are gonna go check it out. They've got everything from buns, cakes, rolls, you name it. They've got it here.
It looks like it's really, really popular because literally loads of people are coming up. The lights were off a few seconds ago and as soon as the lights came on, bang, loads of people, but fairly cheap. It looks like anything between 5 to 40 pesos for things. Wow.
The bestseller. Okay, we have one of them. Coconut inside in the bestseller. I think that's the winner. We've got the goods. We've got a Coke Zero, a Maxi Patch. We've got a nice little bun here filled with coconut. And this one is vanilla.
Vanilla.
How does everyone say it? Vanilla.
Vanilla.
We just seen an old hotel that we stayed at back in 2019. Ashoka is called now. Looks like they sell Indian cuisine downstairs. But we're going to give these a try here. I'm so excited to try them. So let's give it a test.
Going in with the coconut one. I'm guessing it has a kind of a red dot there so they can recognize what's what. Oh, look at that. Wow, that looks pretty decent, man. I bet it's coconut and palm sugar. Let's give Zakariya some first.
You're a big boy now, innit?
Let's try it. Bismillah.
Honest review.
It is coconut with palm sugar in a bun. It is definitely nice.
That was only 10 pesos.
Yeah, no, 5 pesos this was.
10, because you give 2 5s.
Oh, okay. This is very nice.
That's one of the best sellers.
Yeah, I can see why it's a bestseller. It's not overly sweet, it's just right to give you like a nice little snack.
He said he likes it.
That's a yes.
Delicious.
That's a yes from him.
Mashallah. Smells good. It's filled with like coconut shavings and it looks like it's been dipped into palm sugar. That's really delicious. What I'm excited to try is this one.
I knew it.
Look at that.
That's a proper cake bun, isn't it?
It looks fluffy. I should be a lady and break it off and eat
There's
it.
no elegant eating here, it's just big bite. That's it.
This is the winner for me.
Yeah? Oh, look at that.
That is just delicious. It reminds me of a Victoria sponge.
No.
It's really good.
Wow, that is very light indeed. I was expecting to be one of those kind of big, dense, heavy cakes, but yeah.
How sick.
You know what? When cakes are very dense and heavy, they're not that great, but that is light, spongy. A little bit of vanilla on top of it just gives it that nice edge. And
That is a winner.
That is a winner.
If you ever go to the bakery, please do yourself a favour and get yourself that vanilla one. The coconut one is great, but that vanilla one is so good. Guys, these restaurants, absolute vibe.
I'll tell you what, one thing that's really surprised me about this place is the amount of gelato specialists, ice cream place, coffee shops, brunch places, and just generally places to eat. There's like loads, and it's really nice because it doesn't feel like they're like littered with loads of places. There's a nice balance, which is pretty good. I like it.
So you must be wondering, what can you do here in El Nido? And there are a lot of tours that you can actually jump on, tour A, B and C. And what we've noticed, every single shop we've gone to, it seems like they've got fixed prices, which can be a great thing actually, because you know that it's one price for all. But for us, we ideally would love to do a private tour because it's, you know, not as fast paced, especially when you're traveling with a little one. And Irfan, you did ask around, didn't you?
Yeah, so I asked around this afternoon when I went to get some lunch. It seems like all the boats here are licensed, so they don't do any kind of private tours. A couple of people said that you have to join a group, so everything is kind of well organized. That's a shame. It would have been nice to do a private tour with this little one, but that's really the situation here.
So now we're just walking the back streets of El Nido. We are yet again on a hunt for halal food. Urban did a quick Google search before and he found a place called Bapa's Place. So we are walking there now and fingers crossed it's open. No one seems to know where Bapa's Place is, so that is a bit concerning.
Here.
Bapa's.
Before. And pandemic, no more.
Oh, that'd be good.
Ate! Legend!
He's asking someone. So it looks like the restaurant was closed down, is here no longer, but that lovely man is asking about some halal places on the main street.
This one, as a third corner.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take a right, okay.
Third one, yeah?
Yeah.
We are walking through this back street right now, and what we know is that here there's a lady that sells halal food, so we're literally going into someone's house right now. But let's just have a look.
Oh, they've done some building up here, yeah. Not here, it looks like this area is kind of like boarding or renting houses, so people kind of move in and out all the time, so maybe she's gone. So it would have been nice to find her, but maybe not.
Okay, so the halal hunt has failed. I would definitely recommend coming to El Nido. It's a nice small little town. You can probably walk around it within an hour. It's not that massive, but at the same time it's got a very nice feel and a vibe to it.
Yeah, I think the really good thing about it is it's touristic, local, with the fine balance in between it. It's not overcrowded. It's got the right amount of people here for you to enjoy it and get a vibe of like that island life.
It's an island life. That's our island song. But yeah, guys, we hope you enjoyed our first impressions here in El Nido. It's been an absolutely amazing experience coming back and seeing things and finding lots of halal food as always.
As always, our hunt for halal. Marlin.
So guys, as always, follow your visions. Stay tuned for the next video and we'll see you
On the next one.
on the next one. Zakariya, say bye. Bye, Zakariya.
Bye.